Okay, this is run number 3. Still trying to get that good launch. Let's see if I can get it this time. It's better.
30. 60. 1/4 mile.
17.84 seconds. Okay, those were the 3 most consistent
Half
runs
mile.
I've ever had of all the testing I've done. No performance improvement. All right, so the next big mod is the parent it's the Crawford Performance Air Intake Riser. While you're supposed to get some performance improvements with the cold air intake and with the exhaust, I haven't really seen those. I did get some improvement with the cold air intake. I think if I remember right, it was about 1/4 of a second improvement. But I've since, that was one of the first mods I've done, I've since added a lot of weight to the vehicle, lots of weight, more of a, fitted with ladder, rack, all kinds of under armor gear and so forth. Anyway, it's at least 400 pounds heavier, if not a little bit more. And with that weight, the time distances, or the 1/4 mile times, did go up a little bit, which I expected, but I didn't see that drop with the exhaust system like I had hoped for. But the risers, I'm hoping, they say that Crawford Performance says it maximizes the performance of adding a cold air intake and an exhaust by adding 2-inch riser to the intake manifold. So we'll see if that makes a difference. That'll be a few weeks before I get that done. See you guys for now. Ciao.